Hello dears, how are you? Today we have Science 3, Unit 1, Chapter 2, Lesson 2. Our subject is mountain environments. Mountain environments? Let's talk about mountain, characteristic of mountain. As we climb up the mountain, the temperature of the air decreases. That's why the air at the mountain top is colder than the bottom. Look at the mountain. That's why the weather on the top of the mountain there are some snow, or the mountain cap, snow cap on the top of the mountain. The temperature is low in this environments at the top, not in the bottom. Mountain plants, there are some very special plants and trees grow in the environment because of the special weather, special plants, special ground or the ground. In mountain environment, plants are vary according to altitude, because the temperature of the air changes at the different altitudes. We have some special trees. For example, bean. Two kinds of trees. Deciduous trees that can adapt with the environments. Oak, willow, poplar, and maple trees are deciduous trees. Are the trees whose leaves fall in autumn or in fall because of the cold. New leaves begin to grow in the next spring, in the next seasons. These trees change according to changing seasons. It means their leaves become fall and yellow when the weather gets cold, and new leaves grow or begin to grow in the next spring, the next season when the weather is changed. And we have evergreen trees. Pine trees are evergreen. Evergreen are trees whose leaves do not fall. At the same time, they have green leaves throughout the year. The whole seasons, the whole months in the year, their leaves are green. That's why we call evergreen. Mountain animals. As we have special trees in mountain, of course, we have many special kinds of animals live in the mountain. Some kinds eat plants, while other kinds eat animals. Together with these animals live their natural enemies, the wolves, fox, hyenas, and squirrel. And so many other types of animals that can adapt with the mountain environment. Many kinds of birds live in the mountain. Many kinds of birds live in the mountain of Kurdistan region, Iraq, such as quail and stork, which are indigenous birds in addition to migrating birds that seek warmth, such as white stork. They migrate to another place to warm to get food. This is the special birds in Kurdistan mountain, and of course you have another types of birds that can adapt with the environment, and they build their nest in their trees. As you climb up the mountain, the temperature of the air decreases. That's why the air at the mountain top is colder than the bottom. In mountain environment, plants vary according to altitude because the temperature of the air changes at the different altitudes. Oak, willow, poplar, and maple trees are deciduous trees and are the trees whose leaves fall in autumn or fall because of the cold. New leaves begin to grow in the next spring. Pine trees are evergreen trees. Evergreen trees are trees whose leaves do not fall at the same time. They have green leaves throughout the year. Many kinds of birds live in a mountain. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.